Experienced New York City homicide lawyer defense attorney.
If you are facing homicide charges in New York, you could be looking at a lifetime behind bars. When your freedom is on the line, there is no time to lose.
Facing homicide charges is a serious matter, and you deserve serious representation.
At Lebedin Kofman, our experienced New York homicide lawyers have dedicated their careers to the aggressive representation of our clients facing criminal charges. With our extensive years of experience and lengthy track record of success, we help our clients understand the consequences, navigate the legal process, and relentlessly fight for their best outcome. When you have been charged with a homicide, you need the most skilled New York City homicide lawyers possible. At Lebedin Kofman, our team of New York criminal defense attorneys are relentless advocates focused on one thing: your freedom.
For a free consultation with an experienced NYC criminal lawyer about your case, call us today at 646-663-4430. What is homicide? While the terms murder and homicide are often used interchangeably, they are not the same. Homicide in NY is a blanket term that refers to the taking of the life of another. Under the heading of homicide, different charges exist, each having a different set of elements that must be proven by the prosecution and a different set of penalties. A homicide can be the result of intention, accident, or negligence, each carrying its own charges and related penalties. There are some forms of legally justifiable homicides, such as self-defense, so any intention behind the action is always closely examined. The intention will also determine the difference between murder and manslaughter charges. What separates murder charges from manslaughter charges is the intent of the suspect. When the charge is murder, the prosecution must prove that the suspect intended to kill the victim. Consequently, penalties for murder are more severe. But the intention is not always easy for the prosecution to prove. This can be pivotal in a homicide or manslaughter case. The right to skilled legal counsel after serious homicide charges.
If you are facing a homicide charge, you have the right to skilled legal counsel and a fair trial. Depending on the circumstances surrounding the case, defenses may be available to you. At Lebedin Kofman LLC, our New York homicide lawyers bring years of experience to your legal defense.
We will analyze the prosecution's case and advise you of your best options.
While the focus will always be to have charges dismissed or a not guilty verdict rendered, we must always be mindful of whether a reduction in charges may be your best option. Speak with our skilled attorneys today.
Getting the best legal defense possible from an NYC criminal lawyer.
Homicide is the most serious crime you can be charged with, and your freedom is at stake even with the least serious conviction. It is critical to get the best quality legal representation possible. At Lebedin Kofman LLC, our highly experienced team of New York homicide lawyers is dedicated to fighting diligently for you. While our primary focus is to have the charges against you dismissed or have you found not guilty by the verdict, having charges reduced may be the best possible outcome. Call us at 646-663-4430 or contact us via our website contact form to schedule a free consultation with us.